Welcome everyone to a look at the Virego Sand Spike Boat Anchor for shallow water docking. This premium carbon steel pole features a heavy-duty slide hammer for effortless and fast installation. The convenient steel tie-down loop keeps your boat secure during strong currents and high winds. You simply grip the reinforced rubber handle and hammer the spike directly into the sandbar. Removing the anchor is just as easy by pulling upward on the durable steel handle. This tool works perfectly for pontoons and boats up to 36 feet long in shallow water. Every kit includes a convenient storage bag and an extra bungee cord for your next adventure. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.